If you want to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we need to scroll down a little bit, and then we want to go to wallpaper and style. In here, we can tap on change wallpapers, and then you should be able to choose the wallpaper that you wish to set on your phone. And let's say I'm gonna choose something like this wallpaper over here with this dog. We can go next. Of course, we apply to the lock screen and home screen, but if you want to, you can uncheck one of these options and you can just set it for one or the other. In here, we can tap at the bottom of the preview to switch the view to the home screen or lock screen. We can find frame options, so you can apply a frame and change the color of the frame as well. We can just remove the frame if you don't need it. We can go ahead and choose an effect as well, so we can apply a blur, a blurred background, grayscale, and so on and so forth. There we go. You can zoom in and zoom out and change the position of the wallpaper as well. There we go. And once you are done with the setup of the wallpaper, just tap on the done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.